Hello everyone, today in this video we'll be solving the second question under the topic arrays, and the question is best time to buy and sell stock. Okay, so what do you mean by stock? Stock is nothing but the prices. Okay, so best time to buy and sell. So we'll be given with an array basically. Let me explain you the question by using an example. So this is the array given to us, and how many elements are there in the array? 6 elements are there. Okay, so each of these element represents day. Okay, so this is day 0, day 1, day 2 and so on. So each day what is being represented here is the price of the stock. Okay, so each day's price of the stock is given to us. Okay, now what you are supposed to do is you have to find out what day I can buy and what day I can sell. Okay, what day I can buy and what day I can sell, so that I can get the maximum profit. So basically what I have to do, I have to search which is the minimum element here in the leftmost part, and after that the highest element which I can find here. So the subtraction between 6 and 1 is 5. That's the maximum profit is my output. Okay, so our brute force approach will be like what we'll be doing is first we will be starting from here, and if I buy the stock here and if I sell at any of these prices, my loss will be there, right? Because none of the prices is greater than 7. So I can go for the next case 1. If I buy at 1 and sell at 5, what is my profit? 4. If I sell at 3, my profit is 2. If I sell at 6, my profit is 5. If I sell at 4, my profit is 3. So maximum profit I'm getting here, right? I'll keep it as such. Okay, then I'll go to 5 and same thing I'll check here, and again I'll go to 3 and check, and then I'll go to 6 and check. So in all of these checks, whichever price I get the highest profit, that will be my final answer. Okay, so in this case it will take n square time complexity, but we want the answer to be in O of n complexity. Okay, so how can we optimize the solution? Basically we'll be running through the loop, and what we'll be doing is we'll be having two variables, which is the minimum minimum price of the stock and as well as the maximum profit. Okay, so basically it will be first 999, and then it will be means the maximum profit will be initially 0. Okay, so let me explain you by the code itself, so that will be much more in a better way. So I have made the same array here, and the minimum price is set as 999 and the maximum profit is initially 0. So let me explain you what's happening in the code part. Okay, so this is the code part. The overall code is this much. It's divided into two parts. Okay, this is the first part and this is the second part. In the first part, I'm initializing the min price as well as the max profit. Min price is the highest integer value and the maximum profit is initially 0. Okay, like it for the initialization it should be opposite. Minimum means it should be maximum value, maximum means it should be minimum value. Okay, now what we are doing, we are doing a for loop here. That's all. In the for loop we have if else condition. Let's discuss what it is. In the for loop we are traversing each element one by one. Okay, so each element which is present here, I'm traversing one by one. Now what I'm checking here is, let me explain you. I will be first in this element, right? In this element I will check if the minimum price is less than this one. It is false. Minimum price is not less than this one, so therefore I'll upgrade my minimum price as 7. So my minimum price will be 7 now. Okay, now minimum price is initialized as 7, so I have bought a stock which is of price 7. Now my option is that I can sell the stock at the same price, right? If I buy at 7, I can sell at 7 as well. What will be my profit? It will be 0, right, if I sell on the same day. So how I'm calculating the profit is, what is the current price I have, which is 7, and what is the minimum price I have initialized? 7, right? This was initialized as 7, so 7 minus 7 will be 0. This is my current price. I'll be representing it as CP minus what is the minimum profit, minimum price. Okay, so it will be 0, so it is no use. So next I'll move to this one. Okay, in the next iteration when I move to this one, I'll check if this is less than this or not. This is initialized as 7, right? So let me make the changes here. So this is 7 now. Okay, the minimum price which I have encountered till now is 7. Now I'm encountering the next element 1. I'll be checking if 1 is less than 7 or not. So if 1 is less than 7, the minimum price which I have encountered till now is 1. So I'll upgrade it as 1. Okay, after upgrading it as 1, what I'll be checking is if the maximum profit I get, it is more than the current maximum profit or not. So what is the maximum profit if I sell on the same day? 1 minus 1, it is 0. Current price is 1 and the minimum price is also 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. That will be of no use, right? So then I will check for 5. Okay, then when I come to 5, I'll check if 5 is less than 1 or not. Is 5 less than 1? No. The minimum price till now I have encountered is 1. So I'll keep it as such. Okay, so the minimum price is same. Then I'll be checking the maximum profit. How do I check maximum profit? Current price minus the minimum price. What is the current price I am encountering? 5. So 5 minus what is the minimum price? 1. So if I buy the stock on 1 and sell on 5, what is the profit I'm getting? 5 minus 1, which is 4. So maximum profit will be upgraded as 4. So let's make the changes here. The maximum profit till now is 4. Then I will come to 3. Then minimum price, is it less? No, it's not less. So minimum price will be still 1. Then I will be checking maximum profit. 3 minus 1, I can get the profit as 2. Is 2 more than this? No. So I'll keep it as such. Then I'll come to 6. Minimum price, no change. Maximum profit 6 minus 1, 5. It is greater than this profit, so I'll upgrade it. So what does this indicate is that if I buy the stock on the day 1 and I sell it on the day 4, then I get the profit as 6 minus 1, which is 5. That's my maximum profit till now. Then I'll go to this one and check. If I sell it on 4, I'll get the maximum profit as 3, which is still less than the maximum profit 5. So while traversing the whole array, two things I did. First I set the minimum price here, which is the minimum price I found here, and after that minimum price, what is the maximum profit I'm finding, that I am upgrading here. Okay, so that will be returning the maximum profit. If you go through the code here, the code part is starting from here, initialization part, the minimum price as well as the maximum profit, and after that we are doing the for loop here and returning maximum profit after this for loop. In the for loop, each item we are accessing one by one. Prices of I is less than minimum price. That's what we are checking here, right? Prices of I is this one, these values. If these values are less than the minimum price or not. If it is less than the minimum price, as in the first case when 7 was less than 999, then I'll set the minimum price as the same value. So 7 was set in the place of 999, right? And after that, if it's not true, then I'll check if prices of I, which is the current price, CP minus minimum price, which is the minimum price as of now, if it's greater, if this value is greater than the maximum profit as of now. Okay, if it's greater means this profit is greater, I should upgrade the profit value as this one, right? So I'll upgrade maximum profit is equal to this same value, CP. This is nothing but CP and this is MP. So I'll get the maximum profit here. Each iteration I'll set the minimum price if it's possible, else I'll check if maximum profit is possible, I'll set that. Okay, then finally when this loop gets over, I'll return the maximum profit. Okay, that's what the code is about. Let's quickly wrap up what the code actually does. So initially what values we have here, it is 999 and 0. Okay, initially we start from here, we'll be checking which is smaller. I need the minimum price first, so I'll be checking 7 is small or 999. Whichever is small, I'll set the minimum price for that one, because that's what minimum price I have encountered till now. Then I'll be checking the maximum profit. Minimum price means I buy the stock on that minimum price and I sell it. If I sell it on the same day, I'll get the profit 0. If I sell on the second day, I'll be in loss of minus 6. Third day, it is a loss of minus means how much loss? Minus 2 loss. So all the other values will be loss only, right? So I'll not be doing anything. Then I'll going to the next one. Actually, I'll not be checking if it's loss or not. I'll just move on to the next one. The rest of the code will automatically handle it. Okay, here I'm checking, I'm getting a more cheaper price. Yes, so I'll upgrade this value as 1. So that's what I'm doing here. Minimum price as of now is still 1. Then I'll be checking maximum profit. I can get 1 minus 1. No. So I'll move to the next one, 5. Is that the minimum price? No. I have 1 is more minimum, but the profit I can get if I buy here and sell here, that's the profit, right? So I'm minusing 5 minus 1 and setting here. 5 minus 1 is 4, therefore I'll set here as 4. After I've set this one, then I'll move to the next one, 3. What is the profit I get? Still minimum price is 1 only, because 3 is greater than 1. I can't change this one. 1 is still the less one. But if I sell on 3, I'll get the profit as 2. I can't consider 2 because 4 is more. For 6 also same, I can't change the minimum price, but maximum profit I can change. 6 minus 1 is 5, so I'll change this as 5. 4 also I'll check, the profit is 3, I'll not change anything, and the maximum profit I'll return. Okay, so that's all for this code, and if you like this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.